Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a recipe video and it's a testing viral recipes. I've been on the hunt for some high protein vegan recipes that I can try out for myself and see if they really live up to the hype of the virality. The first one is a vegan high protein cookie dough and this is right up my street. So I'm gonna test it and see if it actually works and if it tastes good. So let's go and get ingredients and hop into the recipe.
This recipe is from Flexible Dieting Lifestyle. I did switch out a couple of the ingredients. If you want to make this cookie dough recipe, here is what you'll need. Protein powder, I used the one from My Vegan Salted Caramel flavour. Peanut butter powder, almond flakes, oats blended, some kind of syrup, I used the skinny syrup, 100ml of milk and mini chocolate chips. The first step is to add all of the dry ingredients into your bowl. So I'm placing the oats, the protein powder, peanut butter powder, almond flakes, all in the bowl and giving that a good stir. Then take all of your wet ingredients. This includes the syrup. I also added a touch of vanilla drops from the My Vegan range and 100 milliliters of milk and give that a stir. This recipe is super easy. So if you're like me and you tend to ruin every single baking recipe you try, then give this recipe a go. You might surprise yourself. Now it's time to fill these bad boys up. If you don't have the goo dessert pots in your house, then what are you doing? Are you not a hoarder? Please tell me your secret. Smooth operator. This is not just any chocolate sauce. This is super hard to pour so it doesn't look sexy one bit. Okay, so I just want to interlude this part by explaining how shit of a baker I really am. Although I've made it look all nice and crisp and pretty, I literally burn every single cake I ever make. And I just want to make sure that you're aware that this recipe is super easy.
Okay, so this is how it turned out. And I am not gonna lie, I am buzzing with that. Let's give it a try. Oh my God. That is so good. It's like salted caramel flavour because I used salted caramel syrup. And it's got the crunchiness from the chocolate. You have to try this recipe. I'm gonna leave all the macros on the screen now. As you can see, obviously it's a very high protein snack, so if you want an alternative to a dessert, kill two birds with one stone by getting your protein in, then this is definitely worth trying. Let me know what other viral recipes I should try in the comments, and I'm gonna get my thinking cap on to make some more. I'm gonna go and enjoy this now. Hit the subscribe button if you're new, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
You have to be your biggest fan, and when things are really tough and they're really rough and nothing's working, but there's something inside of you that says, I just have to follow that, because you don't know who you're going to be, who you're going to be, who you're going to be.